Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register for the Binance Cashback Rebates program through financesalutes.com so you can save up to 20% on all your trading fees automatically. This guide will walk you step by step, from signing up, verifying your account, to actually receiving your rebates right inside Binance. So if you're trading or planning to start, make sure you follow this carefully to not miss out on your free cashback. First, let's talk about why the Binance Cashback Rebates or Backcom program is worth your attention. By joining, you can save up to 20% on trading fees. A big deal, especially for high-volume traders. The cashback you earn can be reinvested to grow your capital or withdrawn anytime, giving you both flexibility and control over your funds. Even better, turning on Cashback Rebates/Backcom doesn't affect your trading speed, order execution, or account security. You can enable it with complete confidence and no downside. And the best part? You'll receive rebates no matter if you profit or lose, making it a smart, long-term way to cut costs and maximize your trading returns. Now, let's talk about how you can actually get that 20% trading fee rebate on Binance through the Cashback Rebates or Backcom program. I'll show you two simple cases. One, if you're brand new and don't have a Binance account yet, and another if you already have an account but still want to activate the rebate. If you're new to Binance, start by creating an account using the official financesalutes.com referral link in the description. Your account will be automatically linked. No need to enter any referral code or partner ID. Click the link to open Binance's sign-up page, enter your email or phone number, set a password, and verify the confirmation code to finish registration. Next, complete KYC verification to enable trading and withdrawals. Just go to your profile, select Verify Now, and upload your ID card or passport. The process usually takes only a few minutes to a few hours. Once verified, your account is fully active and connected to financesalutes.com. From then on, all your trades automatically earn up to 40% cashback rebates. No extra steps or forms needed. If you already have a Binance account but aren't getting rebates, you'll need to create a new account through the financesalutes.com referral link, since Binance doesn't allow adding a referral code later. Don't worry, it's quick and totally worth it for the long-term savings. Before creating your new account, you'll need to close your existing Binance account. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First, log into your current Binance account and withdraw all your funds to an external wallet or another secure place. Double-check that your balance is zero before you continue. Then, go to your Binance settings section. Scroll down to the privacy area and under Delete Account, click the Delete button. Binance will ask for confirmation and might send you a verification code. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure the account is completely deleted. Once that's done, your old account is permanently closed and you're ready to create your new one. Now, head back to the referral link in this video's description and register your new Binance account using financesalutes.com. Repeat the registration and verification steps we discussed earlier. Once your account is verified and ready, you can deposit funds and start trading again, this time with cashback rebates automatically applied. So how exactly does this cashback rebate system work behind the scenes? It's actually quite simple. financesalutes.com is one of Binance's top-tier global partners, which means it earns a commission from Binance every time its users trade. But instead of keeping that commission, financesalutes.com returns 100% of it to you in the form of cashback. That's how you get up to 40% back on your trading fees. So, to recap, all you need to do is follow a few simple steps. First, click the referral link from financesalutes.com. I've added it right below this video. Register your new Binance account through that link. Complete your KYC verification using your valid ID. Deposit your funds and start trading. That's it. From that point forward, every eligible trade will automatically generate cashback rebates right into your Binance account. Alright, that's everything you need to know about how to register for the Binance Cashback Rebates or Backcom program through financesalutes.com. It's simple, risk-free, and helps you earn more by paying less. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so they can save too.